Finding the perfect place to showcase your new house numbers can be challenging. One important element to consider is the orientation of your installation. Fortunately, you can order both horizontal and vertical templates at the same time, giving you more flexibility in creating your home's curb appeal. Whether your style calls for a sleek, horizontal look or a modern, vertical vibe, we've got you covered. Adding both templates to your order is quick and easy. Head over to our website and visit the Numbers and Letters page. Enter your desired number set and scroll down until you see the orientation option. Check both to receive horizontal and vertical templates. With both templates, you'll be able to install your house numbers confidently, knowing they'll look perfect from every angle. Each template provides precise placement so you can ensure your numbers are installed with professional level accuracy every time. Our templates are designed to give you peace of mind, making the installation process as smooth as possible. So whether you're looking to boost your home's curb appeal with a sleek modern design, or you're installing numbers for the first time, these templates will help you get the job done right. Ready to install with confidence? Visit us at modernhousenumbers.com today and get your numbers.